2008 Ford Explorer Sport Trac Limited V8 crew cab pickup. Upgraded aluminum alloy, blacked out wheels, new tires, side step running boards, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, tow hitch trailer package with rear bumper protector, bed cover with bed liner throughout, power retractable rear glass. That's well kept tan leather interior, OEM floor, carpeted floor mats throughout, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments, heated front row seats, upgraded stereo with navigation, CD player, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, just over 141,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come out and see us at Cupholders.